Hi, my name is James Toal. I'm a LOBA WAKOL Technical Rep, and we are here in Springfield, Massachusetts at the Temple Beth. We were contacted a few weeks ago about recoating some cork floors, so we're going to do our dustless recoating method using this product, LOBA 2K Contact. And the process is we come in after the floor has already been cleaned properly ahead of time, and we come in and we mix the two components together, roll it out very evenly and thinly, 500 feet a quart, and roll that on the floor, let that chemically prepare the urethane that's already down, and then we're going to come back tomorrow morning and put on a coat of 2K Duo, and they will be good to go. No machines, no screens, no vacuums, no nothing. So let's get to work. We're showing the rolling method. In addition to rolling it, you can put it on with a trim pad as well. But it's easier to get the 500 feet per quart if you roll it. But if you prefer a trim pad, use a trim pad. Okay, so we just finished putting on the LOBA 2K Contact. We did about 4,000 feet in an hour and a half with 3 guys. So it will allow it to dry overnight. It's ready to coat in about 4 hours, but we're not gonna be here in 4 hours. So we'll come back first thing tomorrow morning and we'll come in and put a coat of Duo right on top of it. It's all prepared, it's chemically prepared. No need to screen, no need to take care of it after that. Put a coat right on top of it and then we'll be finished up. Keep it looking good. So last night we applied the LOBA 2K Contact, and this morning we came back, it's all dry, and we're applying the LOBA 2K Duo on top, satin finish. So Tyler is applying the edges with a 4-inch brush, and some may think that's a little overkill, but the roller puts on the finish at a pretty good mill rate, so you want a brush that's going to do the same. So many brushes will do it, chip brush will work too, but a nice heavy brush puts on the edges nice and thick without really having to think much about it. The way we like to do the Duo is to dunk the roller in the bucket, put it right on the floor, and roll it against the grain in about 10 square feet. 1 dunk equals 10 square feet. So roll it against the grain, then smooth it out with the grain, and then go on to your next dunk. And this ensures 2 things. The floor is coated evenly. And also by this method, it ensures that at the end of the job, you will have used exactly 500 feet per gallon. So to summarize our job here in Springfield, we did about 4,000 feet or so of LOBA 2K Contact on top of a pre-finished cork floor, and then came back the next day and coated it with LOBA 2K Duo in a satin finish. So everything went perfectly. The biggest part in this is to make sure the floor is prepared properly, cleaned properly. The chemistry works every single time, as long as it's nice and clean and not acted upon by an outside force. The floor looks beautiful, the Duo laid on top perfectly, and I'm real excited to come back and get final pictures tomorrow.